Hello fellow scratchers, today I'm gonna make a scratch game. So we first the stone, now paint, and we're gonna make it a square. Square it, maybe I need to make this color. Okay, look at that. Let's get Minecraft. Maybe this is not good yet. That's ready. Okay. I am ready. It cannot go. Maybe I just need to put it again. Oh my god. You just need to put. Maybe we'll do. Okay, now that's much better. You make it bigger and bigger. Let's make a venture key. We need to make a square and go like that. See, that's a Let's make an adventure game. But maybe go up to. Let's do it. And this, you see it right. Now, you make it up. Let's make an eye with black. Oh my god. Oh my. What are these? Maybe we need to make this thing 0. 0. Now we need white is like this. Let's get put them. He said 0. I said 0. 0. Make a circle. Now we need to copy and paste. Whoa! But I think just delete it. Make a square and find out here. Whoa! Can you see? But nothing can stop this from doing new. Let's make it better. Fill is the scroll. Make a square. Okay. Make sure we. Now we need to make a fill with light color. Okay. Light color. Here we go. And come to the wow. Now we're gonna copy and paste. Set this like that. Well, it cannot do anything if we do this. Whoa! So this can roll this way. Scramble too. I think we need to delete this. Delete it. Delete. Now we need to make a good square. Here. Now we make it an eyes. Let's make an eyes with the color black. And touch it over here. And now we need to copy and paste. Now this is much better. Okay, now this is okay. We need to make sure that there's nothing. Just need to go through this delete. This is gonna be this. Gonna be deleting. Now we have this like a spinning topic. But there's something wrong. Let's get duplicate with this. We just make like this. So let's show you. This is the up. And go down. And let's see. So okay, now you need to make sure it's big. Just make it ready like it. Oh no. Oh my. Where did it go? Where did they go? Maybe we need to oh, they're so small. Now let's do it again. Okay. Delete. Up here. It's just like move. Then we duplicate this thing. Make it copy and paste. No. I mean not this. I mean this. Okay. Like that. And another copy in. Like this. It's gonna be delayed. It's just like movement like this. But I think that's not the right one. Now we need this backdrop. No. This backdrop we need to add 7. Cover down. Let's color it blue. A little bit blue. Okay. Now this is look at the sea. Now another thing that we missed. This is the grass. We need to make it eventually, right? Wait, I need to receive. Wait. Go forward. Let me see. Okay, now the spirit tool you see it. Right. Now we need to close and copy and paste. First one is up here. Copy and paste. This right here. Another copy and paste. Right here. And another copy and paste. Another copy and paste. Just right here. That's right. See, it's hard to make it. Not cooked. Now, this let's make it red. Let's see. But we need to paint this thing first. We make it red. Maybe this is gonna be next time. up arrow, and it's gonna switch costume 1. Maybe we can. Oh, it's good. Possible switch costume 3. When left and arrow. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be left and this is gonna be right. And this is gonna switch costume. This is 3. Let's see. This is for the right arrow. Right arrow. And it's costume 5. Costume 5 with left arrow. Shit, it's costume 2. Costume 2. Let's see. No, it's just like to changing powers. But there's something wrong. We need to down arrow and make sure 4. Okay, see? Now we can move like this. But there's something wrong. We can't move. If we can move, that's much better. But here, I think we need a little bit brown. Brown again. Brown. Another green color. I don't need this gonna be there. Maybe. Oh no, you just deleted it. Let's make it again. Okay, this is gonna be the bedroom of our place. Got it. Now we need to make a tree. Let's make a tree. Tree, okay. Oh no. That's not what I meant. Now we need to just view the screen. Make it green. It's much better. Alamak. Okay, now we have this bedrock. Okay, now we are ready to make. When up arrow, we need to make it. When up arrow, we gonna make it change y by minus 10 and also when let's duplicate it, then this down arrow is gonna be 10, okay? Another duplicate. This is gonna be just delete it, and this is gonna be left, and another, and this is gonna be right. Just 10. Okay. Now this when okay, let's get costuming. Let's go red. Red in color. Now we need to copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Put it up. Now copy and paste. Now we need to draw a bed. Color this. Okay, a bed. Maybe green, and this is gonna be blue for the pillow. Put it right here. Okay, but this, you're gonna make it another one like this. But this is gonna be upside down. Oh no, you cannot do this anymore. You just take this and over it there. Just like you type. Make a square. And now this is gonna be the eye. This is the eye. Make it shut. Make it shut. Okay. Now we have no. When one that should be number 1, and we gonna switch costume 2. This is costume 2. Oh no. Switch costume 2. No. Instead, now we can move right. Okay, now we have this.